Hello everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to learn top 70 polite, useful, and most common English conversations about going to the movies. Going to the cinema is a fun and popular activity. Learning these everyday expressions will help you communicate naturally, understand native speakers more easily, build your confidence, and enjoy real-life conversations when buying tickets, watching movies, and talking with friends. 1. Shall we go to the movies? 2. What movie would you like to watch? 3. What's playing today? 4. I'd like to watch the new action movie. 5. Have you seen this movie before? 6. What time does the movie start? 7. What time does the movie end? 8. Let's buy the tickets online. 9. I'd like 2 tickets, please. 10. How much is 1 ticket? 11. Are there any seats available? 12. I'd like seats in the middle, please. 13. Could I have aisle seats? 14. Could I have window seats? 15. Which row are we sitting in? 16. What seat numbers do we have? 17. Can we sit together? 18. Is this seat taken? 19. Excuse me, I think you're in my seat. 20. May I see your ticket? 21. Where is Theater 5? 22. Which screen is this movie showing in? 23. Let's hurry. The movie is about to start. 24. We still have a few minutes. 25. Do you want some popcorn? 26. I'd like a large popcorn, please. 27. Would you like a drink? 28. I'll have a cola, please. 29. Do you want anything else? 30. The line is very long. 31. Let's wait here. 32. Please turn off your phone. 33. Please keep your voice down. 34. The movie is starting now. 35. This movie is exciting. 36. This movie is funny. 37. This movie is touching. 38. The special effects are amazing. 39. I love the soundtrack. 40. The actors did a great job. 41. That scene was incredible. 42. I didn't expect that ending. 43. That plot twist surprised me. 44. Did you enjoy the movie? 45. I really enjoyed it. 46. It was better than I expected. 47. It wasn't as good as I thought. 48. I would watch it again. 49. I'd recommend this movie. 50. What was your favorite part? 51. Who was your favorite character? 52. The ending made me cry. 53. The ending made me laugh. 54. I think the movie was too long. 55. It was worth watching. 56. Would you like to watch another movie? 57. Let's come back next weekend. 58. What's your favorite movie genre? 59. I like comedy movies. 60. I prefer action movies. 61. I enjoy romantic movies. 62. Horror movies scare me. 63. Animated movies are fun. 64. Let's check the movie reviews. 65. The cinema is very comfortable. 66. The screen is huge. 67. The sound quality is excellent. 68. Thanks for inviting me to the movies. 69. I had a great time today. 70. Let's watch a movie together again soon. Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope these 70 common English movie conversations help you improve your vocabulary, speak more naturally, build confidence in everyday conversations, and make learning English more enjoyable. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with your friends so more people can learn English together. See you in the next video.